Replace toxic cleaning products and promote your health. Let me show you how I can save. I went to the supermarket, I looked at prices, and here are 5 products here, which in our shops would cost you, in our currency, 224 rands for 3.75 liters. That means it's about 60 rand per liter will cost you. And people buy this. And these things are toxic as well, by the way. Okay, you can replace with non-toxic stuff and save. Here's an example. This bottle is a concentrate which you must dilute. It gives you 11 liters. Or those spray bottles of half a liter each. Okay, half a liter bottles. You get 22 bottles. Imagine if you have to go buy 22 bottles like that in the shop. How much that will cost you? I mean, you're talking like 1,000 rand probably, if not more. Crazy. And look at the top. That paving. This product cleaned that paving. So it works. It replaces the all-purpose cleaner, the window cleaner, the pre-wash, the floor cleaner, the toilet cleaner, the oven cleaner for 224 rand. Equivalent strength. Okay, that's what you would have paid in the shop, 224 rand. This will work out 116 rand. For the same amount of cleaning product at the same equivalent strength. That is a big saving. Less than 29 rand per liter for equivalent strength cleaners. Now who wouldn't want to save? Here's another one. These 3 products cost you 234 rand for 1.65 liters. That's about 142 rand a liter. Crazy, but people buy this. And it's toxic again. Here's a liquid soap that replaces those 3. Remember, you paid 234 rand for those 3 products. Here you get, from this liter concentrate, you get 17 of these small bottles. Okay, non-toxic multi-purpose soap. You can wash your veggies with it as well. And take note, for 89 rand, equivalent strength. That is a massive saving. Let's see the total picture quickly. Total cost of supermarket products, 495 rand. Total cost of non-toxic products, 205 rand. You save 290 rand. Now imagine that this is customer price, retail price. If you are registered, you can take another 20% off. Otherwise, you're going to pay about 160 rand. Okay? That means it's a third of the price of the supermarket products. I mean, why buy the expensive stuff in the shops then? Doesn't make sense. Another example, this non-toxic disinfectant. Dettol in the shops is more than 100 rand a liter. This product is SABS tested. It's tested with an African Bureau of Standards for hospital grade strength. It will cost you only about 28 rand a liter. Compare that to more than 100 rand a liter. So why not save? Here's a challenge. Make your own comparison and you'll see that you save when you use these non-toxic cleaning products. And you'll see it makes sense to register and to use these products. And this is just not for the cleaning products already. You're saving a lot of money. A supplement example. Let's run through it very quickly. Calcium and magnesium supplements. Most contain calcium carbonate or dolomite, your calcium supplements, the ones that people tend to buy in the shops. Absorption is less than 10% from the pills. That means if there's 100 milligrams calcium in the pill, you only get about less than 10 milligrams of calcium actually. If a pill costs less than 1 rand, you pay 1 rand for less than 10 milligrams of calcium. The brand that we use and recommend has got an absorption of 84%. Can you see the difference? Take note the further difference. Each tablet has 100 milligrams calcium. That means you get 84 milligrams calcium per tablet for about 3 rand. Now some people look at the price of the pill. They say one price only 1 rand, so they buy that. No. Look carefully. You need about 8 of the cheaper brand pills to get the same amount of calcium in one of these pills. And that will mean you pay about 8 rand for the same amount of calcium. but which one is not cheaper? It doesn't make sense, but people don't know these things. So you save here, and you get better results as well. Contact the person that shared this video with you, or that invited you to the Zoom, or get information that way, and ask the person, how can I join, how can I save money, and how can I make money?